Assalamualaikum viewers. Viewers, today I am catching my budgies. They are baby budgie, as you guys can see. I have put some budgies in here. I already catched them. So there's like 11 or 12 in there. And now I'm going to catch more budgies, just like 3 or 4. And the budgies that I will catch are actually really big, to like 2 or 3 months. And they have a strong beak. And they fly really quick, so I catch all of them so I can also catch them. So you guys please subscribe, because if you guys subscribe, my budgies will be happy and my YouTube channel will be happy. And like the video and hit the notification bell. If you want, you can hit the notification bell or not. Okay? So now come here, and now this is the one that I will be catching now. Okay? So this is also my favorite budgie, by the way. So let's get it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's hard. I got one. Like this. You can see him. He's really strong. He's trying to bite me, but I am wearing 2 layers of gloves, so it's not biting me. So if I leave it, it's bad. That's why I'm going to put it in the cage with the rest of the budgies. There you go. You can see he can fly really good. And now for the other ones. Woo. Now let's go with the second one. Okay. I'm going for the come on, come on. I got him. You can see this one is really strong. Look at him here. Look at this twisty wing. Tail. Okay, let's get him in. I'm really scared to just leave him. And I'm also holding him the wrong way. So that's why. Go in there, little buddy. So guys, whenever you catch a bird, budgie, you always have to wear 2 layers of any type of gloves you have. Now let's go down. The last one, which is sitting on the green thing. Oh, it's just blue. Okay. Come on. Oh, I broke everything. Come on, this is so... Come on, you... Yes, got him. I mistakenly broke the stick, which is fine. I got the guy. He's trying to bite me, but it's not gonna work. Okay. Be calm. Let's put him in this cage. So these are all the budgies I have catched like this. There are probably a lot of them. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's 14 budgies in there. Oh my god. I have catch 14 budgies with this hand. With this hand, guys. So guys, if you're kind, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. For now, Allah Hafiz. Hello there.